Hey there, gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. If you've always wanted to grow your own food but don't have a garden space, this video is just for you. Today, I'll be sharing some incredibly productive gardening solutions that don't require a traditional garden plot. You can grow fresh vegetables, herbs, and even fruits in the smallest spaces. So let's get started. Faster than garden soil. Next up, we have vertical gardening. This is perfect for those with very limited horizontal space, like a small balcony or patio. What is vertical gardening? It's all about growing upwards instead of outwards. You can use wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, or even create a DIY trellis for climbing plants. Best plants for vertical gardens. Climbing beans, peas, cucumbers, and herbs like mint and thyme do exceptionally well. For flowers, you can try petunias or nasturtiums. DIY tip: use an old wooden pallet or a shoe organizer to create a budget-friendly vertical garden. If you don't even have balcony space, don't worry. You can still grow a beautiful herb garden right on your windowsill. Best herbs for indoor growing. Basil, mint, chives, cilantro, and oregano are great choices. These herbs need minimal space and grow quickly. Light requirements. Place your herb garden on a sunny windowsill where it can get at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. Rotate the pots every few days for even growth. Harvesting tip: pinch off the tops regularly to encourage bushier growth and a steady supply of fresh herbs. Nutrients as needed. Segment 5. Microgreens and sprouting. Microgreens and sprouting are perfect for those who want fast results without a lot of effort. They are packed with nutrients and can be grown on your kitchen counter. What are microgreens? These are baby plants harvested just a few weeks after germination. They're small but mighty, offering a concentrated dose of nutrients. How to grow them? Use a shallow tray, fill it with a thin layer of soil, and sprinkle seeds like radish, pea, or sunflower. Keep the soil moist and place it in a sunny spot. Within 7 to 14 days, your microgreens will be ready to harvest. Sprouting tip: if you prefer something even simpler, try sprouting seeds like alfalfa or mung beans in a jar with water. Rinse them twice a day, and in a week, you'll have fresh sprouts ready to eat. Without any hassle. Segment 7. Community garden plots. If you have no space at all at home, check if there are any community gardens nearby. These are shared gardening spaces where you can rent a small plot to grow your veggies and connect with other gardeners. Benefits. Community gardens often provide tools, compost, and a sense of camaraderie among local growers. What to grow? This is a great space for larger plants like zucchini, corn, or even a small patch of potatoes. Pro tip: joining a community garden is also a fantastic way to learn from experienced gardeners and share tips and tricks. Outro. And there you have it. Gardening without a garden is not only possible but can be incredibly rewarding. Whether you choose to grow in containers, go vertical, or explore hydroponics, there's a solution that fits every space and lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone. See you in the next video.